2 strands of hair, can be 3. Bend your ventilating pin, the curvy part, sideways, and then drag out the hair you collected from the hole. Then take the hair, the side, the one holding it, and place it on the ventilating pin like this. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Let me do it again. Place it this way. Okay, like this. Place it this way, and then bend the ventilating pin towards you, and then drag it out of the loop. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to ventilate. I'm going to tutor you guys on how to ventilate. If you're a beginner or you've been finding it difficult to learn how to ventilate, then this video is for you. I will urge you to go ahead and watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to get the knowledge you need on how to ventilate. So with that said, let's go straight to the video. You need your mannequin head, guys. You need your mannequin head, you need your lace net, you need your pin, okay? The reason why I added this white material under the net so that you make it to be visible enough. But if your mannequin head is okay, you can see what you are doing. You can go ahead and use it without adding any material under it. So the first thing you have to do is to secure your lace on the mannequin head just the way I did. Secure it so tight so that it will not be kind of adjusting when you are ventilating. Okay, as to continue, as a beginner you can use any kind of hair. Okay, you can use any kind of hair. Just collect small part of the hair that you want to use. You want to collect small so that you'll be able to control it. Then go ahead and comb it out. Don't need the short hair, okay? All you need is the long ones. Comb it out. Then fold it into two. The one I'm doing it, fold it like this. Then hold it, okay? Try to separate it. Try to separate it so you'll be able to catch the amount of strands of hair that you need. Then the next thing you have to do is to place your ventilating pin in one of the holes this way and bring it out in the next hole. Okay? Then try to collect 2 strands of hair. After that, then try to bend your ventilating pin sideways and kind of bring the strands of hair out of the hole. Okay, then place the hair on the ventilating pin this way and bend it towards you and bring it out of the loop that you made. I hope you guys are getting what I'm saying. Let's do this again. Place your ventilating pin in one of the hole and bring it out in the next hole. Try to collect 2 strands of hair, bend it sideways and drag it out from the hole like this. Okay, secure it so tight. Don't drag it so tight so that it will not break. Then place the hair on the ventilating pin this way and bend it towards you and bring it out of the loop. Okay, let's do this again. Place your ventilating pin in one of the hole and bring it out in the next hole. Collect 2 strands of hair, bend it sideways and drag the hair out of the hole this way. Okay, so what I'm doing, secure it so tight, not too tight, don't drag it so tight so it will not break. Place the hair on the ventilating pin this way and kind of bend it towards you. Drag it out of the loop. Okay, I hope you guys are getting what I'm doing. Let's do this again. Put your ventilating pin in one of the hole like this and bring it out in the next hole. Collect 2 strands of hair or 3. Bend it sideways and drag it out of the hole. Okay, place the hair on the ventilating pin this way and bend it towards you, and then try to bring the hair out of the loop. Okay, I hope you guys are getting what I'm doing. Guys, let's do this again. Okay, place your ventilating pin in one of the holes this way, bring it out in the next hole. Try to collect 2 strands of hair and bend your ventilating pin sideways and kind of drag the hair out of the hole. Place the hair on the ventilating pin this way, okay, and bend it towards you, and then try to drag out the hair out of the loop that you made. Guys, as a beginner, the first day you're going to try this, it might be very difficult for you to pass the hair through the hole, okay? That shouldn't discourage you, okay? Continue. If you continue with it, you're going to be an expert on this, okay? So let's try this one more time. Okay, put your ventilating pin in one of the hole and bring it out in the next hole. Collect 2 strands of hair or 3. Bend the curvy part of the ventilating pin sideways and then drag it out from the hole, through the hole, okay? Then place the hair on the ventilating pin this way. Okay, let me do it again. Place it on the ventilating pin like this. I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Let me do it again. Secure the hair. Don't drag it too tight so that it will not break. Okay, place the hair on the ventilating pin this way and bend the ventilating pin towards you and drag it out from the loop. So guys, if you find any value in this video, please go ahead and subscribe, okay, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will get notified. If you have any question or you're confused at any point, please feel free to drop it at the comment section. I'll gladly attend to them. Okay, thank you for watching and see you guys in my next video.